One technical question I see a lot is asking whether or not a number is prime programmatically. Now, most submissions you'll get for that question are just people iterating over all of the numbers that are less than this maximum number. And then for each potential prime, they check to see if any of those numbers are divisible by any of the numbers lower than it. This in the wild in the calculation of something like a hash map. Now you're thinking quick, you're nervous, and you might take the numbers that you're given, and you might just use a for loop to check all the numbers lesser than it using the percent sign. Incredibly inefficient, so let's find some ways to speed it up. Rule out anything divisible by 2. This will cut your algorithm in half. Do that at the start, and just iterate the odd numbers. Step 2, the highest number you have to search for is just that number's square root. Anything over its square root that it's divisible by, it'll also be divisible by a value below its square root. Lastly, if you have a list of numbers, try just putting it on a thread pool. You can add any prime number that you find to a mutex protected array. That way the most amount of one-on-one time that any number gets is just the square root of that number divided by 2. Good luck!